Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to log out of Warthunder. So guys, first thing that you will do is go over here to the player card at the top, and then from here guys, down below, you should have here an option called switch users. So guys, as of now, I don't have that option because this is a new account that I'm running the game through Steam. And then after you click switch account, guys, you will be immediately redirected to the login screen of War Thunder. Or guys, what you could try to do is you disconnect from internet, and after that you press play on War Thunder, and then from there it will show some error login message. So guys, just simply connect back to the internet, and after that just check your login info, and then guys just simply press sign in, but remember, do not press a login Steam. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.